Say when Sister P did promise to turn up the thing in 2012. No, we never know how she talk, and everybody is saying turn up the thing, because the little song was so catchy. I know we are feeling the hard way. Because I say the woman take the economy from 0 to 100 real quick. I saw people just lose them jobs, so like when man catch alopecia and lose the whole of the ear from up in them head top. So that one is an imploration. People you say if you not have no good job at Jamaica, nobody take it and run and come over here. If you go legal near Uncle Sam, go under the green light, pan a little traveling visa, just take it and go and come. Can't not make no sense to have a good job out there and left come over here so. I go tell you, foreign big and nice, and nobody take my bad man, but on the best interest me I look out for. Because right now I have papers, and I tell us it like it's a diamond me I look for, because make it hard for find work. So just imagine how you will run with come and you not even have no papers. You understand? What got happen is I end up with mediocre jobs. I may be able to survive in the background, so mediocre jobs. Employer and them go, you know what, truth, like say, it's a favor them I do know, which is true, yes, but do them a favor too. So them go want underpay on go some kind of shift. All man are evil. Number 2, you might end up with a little home health job, and if your stomach not strong like Fimo, you not go want to do the bottom cleaning and all of them something there. Nothing wrong with it, but if your stomach not strong, you not go can't do it. And next thing too, you come over and then they say you want the papers. You know, you decide say you go do your thing and you go try to get the papers. Everybody want 20,000 US. So they don't know what 20,000 US is like. You see, before you take that 20,000 US and give them on stay at Jamaica here, because it like them a look down payment for house and care over here. Ain't nobody got it to give them. I thank God every day my mother fight for me because I do this runaway business. And the next thing too, I'm not going to end up missing no family. You know, I can't even imagine what it feel like if they are foreign and know say, you have a close family member where, drop out there, you're there, say, you can't go, because if you go, you can't come back. You know, it's good for you say you can go and come. So if you have a good job out there, nobody will come over. If you make say 150 a month, 150,000 a month, nobody left it come over here. Because over here come stay, you have to go compare rent. Yes, that same rent business is a serious business in a foreign. It's not nice. I'm telling you, so when I pay landlord a month time, I'll grade I start catch a me pay it already, boy, you see me years of black and shine. And wait till end of month and I go sew me look like my shirt or my Avon. The rent business is a serious business. You understand me? It's a serious business. No friend and family, no over. Nobody not resist no rent. And if you come over here and you spend more than 3 weeks, say a residency you take up, so you have to go start doing the residency, and you have to go help pay rent, help pay light, help pay heat. And if you are traveling other people, you have to go buy a little gas, help them insure the car. I just too much something. Whenever they in Jamaica, you get 150,000, that's one look over this upon car payment, give the landlord 130,000, so you have all 100,000 if you go get advantage, you can go here, there, all over the place. You can go party and enjoy yourself. Over here, so you work till you're dead. You run off, you do 4 different jobs 7 days a week. It's over here, so you're not even know the days of the week, Enough time a calendar I have to look on, Because I don't know if today is Sunday, today I choose, I not even know. The place, the days, are run, so. So if you have your good job at Jamaica, stay out there, travel, go and come. Come buy the nice, cheap things them and go look nice and rich and bossy. But nobody run, nobody give up your opportunity because it's not easy. Foreign big and nice, I want everybody to experience it, but yes, when that skin color stay like for me, it's not as easy as they make it seem. You understand me? And this is may I implore, not do it. Don't do it. You understand me? Anyways, may I ask you please to go over on the channel, YouTube channel, like, share and subscribe. And please, if you have a comment, feel free to leave it. It's all about criticisms. And so I'm saying bye for now, and let me get your feedback, and the next video coming out soon.